So, as you can see, this is the Comfee rice cooker. Quite a large rice cooker. To show the scale, let me get this lip balm. Very large. But what I like about this is it's very simple to use. Click it open. It's got a vegetable steamer basket and a very cleanable non-stick coated, I think this might be titanium. Whatever the case, very nice container. Easy to clean. As you can see, I need to clean mine. You throw it in there. You don't even have to put this in there. I'll keep it out just to show you. But you throw it in there, close it, plug it in, hit start, or, hit rice, and then hit start again, and you're pretty much set to go. It's also very simple to clean. As you can see, the top kind of comes off if you work it up. You can clean that little bit, and you can clean some of the pieces in there. On the inside, if we pop this open, we'll kind of get this in frame so you can see it. If you push on both of these, maybe it's push it right here. There we go. This piece comes directly out, and as you can see, also very easily cleanable. It also pops back in very easily. The cable is probably the only bad part. Not even really bad, just a little annoying. It's very short, but that can be easily fixed with an extension cord. If you're looking to throw this thing on in like the middle of the kitchen, more than likely you'll be able to just set this next to an outlet and plug it right in. This thing cooks rice like no tomorrow. And it's gigantic, so you can cook so much rice. I mean, you can even see right here, 10 cups of rice. Just insane. I don't know who's eating 10 cups of rice unless you're an entire family and you're looking to eat it all day, but this is definitely the way to go. The handle is also very handy, as it implies. Overall, this is just a very nice rice cooker. I totally recommend it for someone who's looking for an inexpensive, large, and usable rice cooker. I think also it looks pretty sleek. It's got the nice metal band on the bottom here. It's got a very nice little screen. Very simple opening mechanism. Overall, very nice rice cooker. I totally recommend it.